Ridhaan, how bad do you want to pee on a scale of 1 to 10? We essentially fucked up. So this is what the store looks like. Hi guys, I know I look like a ball. I just woke up and I guess we're jet lag. I don't believe in jet lag. Anyway, so we're in an apartment in Milan and it's like doable, it's decent, and I really want to show you guys the view. Okay, I feel like that house is literally so pretty. Imagine living there. Which pretty guy? Yeah. So now we're leaving for Duomo Cathedral, and this is my outfit. It's a bit chilly today, so I thought I'll layer up. I really like how it looks. I'll accessorize with this chain and these. And you're gonna see a lot of this bag and these shoes because that's pretty much all I've carried. Because these are so big and have like no space in my bag. Anyways. So since we haven't had breakfast, we got this Nutella. I don't know what it is. It's like a croissant. And let's see if we will like it. It's a cute corner. I will write on my dad that we get it, but he's gonna confirm it with like 3 people before like going. Alright guys, look at these roses. It's blowing my mind. Oh my god. So this is it. This is the Duomo.
Sup to PewDiePie, sup to PewDiePie.
Ridhaan, stop disturbing. It's so big, my phone camera cannot. Huh?
We'll take the entire thing up.
From far? Okay, so Miss Khan wants to, because of her photography course, she wants to explore her skills now. iPhone 6, right? Okay, there are too many fucking chickens here. This is the real view.
Street. So now we're on our way to China Museum. I'm really excited. It's actually Triana. How did the lady pronounce it? How did the lady pronounce it? No, that's not how she said it. Triana. Oh my god, so pretty. You just smell delicious, guys. I had to stop to capture this amazing view. The sky looks so lit. It's just so fresh today.
Ridhaan, how bad do you want to pee on a scale of 1 to 10? 10. 10 on 10. Do you think you can pee that much? Like, do you have that much in you? Didn't you just pee like 5 minutes ago? And he like paid to pee, which is the dumbest thing I have ever heard of. Quick update. So we essentially fucked up and we wasted like a good of my mom's laughing there because like she knows what I'm talking about. We wasted like a lot of time walking and going to the wrong stations and all of that because we were going to like go to some other place before, and now we ended up deciding to go to Brera because like it's 5 PM already and we want to go to Navigli as well. But the point being that it's just funny because we wasted so much time like being essentially just stupid. So yeah, anyways, so we're near Brera now. Let me show you around. Guys, we're here, the most lit street in Milan, evidently. Guys, it's day 2 and today we are going to Saravel, which is like a factory outlet and it has all these cool brands, so hopefully we'll get some nice stuff. And then I think we'll go to Navigli because we could not complete it yesterday. This is my outfit. I'm wearing this bucket hat, this white tie, blue pants, and this denim jacket in case it gets cool. See you. This is Station Central, the main railway station. We're coming here for the first time. I mean, we've been here for like a day. My dad does not want to go to Saravel because he thinks we should explore this area, but priorities, guys. We have to shop. Hi guys, so after like a 2-hour ride, we're finally here. We've reached Saravel and let me show you around. So there's H&M Swarovski there. There's other stuff here. We're in Saravel and it's like really big and pretty. And we went to Nike and we're getting like 5 pairs of shoes because like they have like really good deals. And so I got like 2 Air Max and I'll show it to you guys. I'll show you the other stuff too. Now we're gonna go to like Adidas and like other stores. So let's see. So this is what the store looks like. For example, they have like a shoe and then they have all these sizes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I saw these two, but I decided not to get these. Got some raspberry. No, it's like a mixed berry sorbet.
We have to run because cars, chasing cars. That's how we go. The street is so pretty and nice. It looks a lot like Paris, honestly. Oh my god.
Hi guys, so day 3. Today we're gonna explore Venice. We were supposed to go to Lake Como, but we decided not to because it's gonna rain today apparently, even though it's sunny. So it better rain. It also better not rain because like if it rains, it's just gonna get hard because we didn't pack.
I'm going to GameStop.
Any monsoon stuff. Anyways, so I'm gonna get my SIM card right now, and that's pretty much it. We're waiting for a bus now because my family is a lazy ass and they just do not want to walk. I don't mind walking because like it's like the daytime. Plus like my hair would dry. So yeah. You guys, what's up? So now we are at Museo del Novecento, which is 900, and we've left our parents finally, and we're going to this museum that has contemporary art. It has like 3 exhibitions, and I'm very excited for 2 of them. So this is the pass. That is Muskan, and off we go. Hi guys, we are at the Starbucks Reserve of Milan. Look at that freaking machine. And there's so much to eat. Wow, Indian Starbucks really needs to up their game. This is unreal. Yesterday we didn't do much. My mom actually fell slightly sick, so we had to rush home. But today we're going to Venice by train, and this is our last time in Milan. And I wish we'd covered Navigli. We didn't even go to Lake Como, but whatever we did was fun. We went to this really cool museum. I think I vlogged a bit. They didn't let me vlog much. I clicked some pictures there, and this is the place where we were staying in Eustaki. Can I have a bite?
not at all rich for your face. Yeah.